Nimbul binaka. Tumantel tiko na ken na pamuri tumay na Buturara Qito Qito. Pambota na rere binaka mino kau tiken telis telemanta. En na buku non rawa sota na mata timi nimbua ke na mata timi nasa. Dini ni levu na vital no anga meado. Nere binaka meu kau tiken telis tele. Minta na sarapa telemanta. Na bula ni sota dina ni meado na bimba. Sarau te meado. Bertara koko ni gitu. Sulia telang ngombua ke na mata timi nasa. Ya nitaken ni ndana marutakan kena sarabi rele subi telemanta. Na singito mbula. Sana sota. Nonroa sota kena na mata timi ni asawa kena mata timi ni mbua biasa bulare dolo bina maisa.
Greetings mbula binaka miau sam mbula sia mbulare. Welcome to the Lambasa town. Beautiful overview of Lambasa town. As they say, the Lion's Den also, as earlier expected in the week, a town that has been buzzing with expectations of the two home teams hosting both the semi-finals of the Vodafone Vanua Championship. Maduwata taking on Ba and Bua, taking on Yasawa later this afternoon. Now we are ready for the action pack. First, Vodafone Vanua Championship semi-final. Maduwata taking on Ba. Ba has produced a lot of national players over the years in the form of the famous village in Ba, Vatua in Ba, the Tuai brothers of Chasua Tuisova, Pio Tuai, Nakosi. Well, they've lived up to those names. They look up to them.
Isbina ka artumbol ito ko na mata tim ni Maduwata may bakan ni kilahi en na layon en daukata. Iya en mata tim ni ba orang tangan itu ni tuturan daukai nang ni ba nambul bay dusra.
Devita Nandumu starts things off, but Maduwata will find the safety of the touchline first, playing it safe, making inroads into the defense of Maduwata. Semoni tangi mula. Now they have back. He dances, finding support. Devita Nandumu. Strong defense from Maduwata. How it comes again from Nayoba. Numbers out wide. Gabriel Aliba pops it back out. Again, defense is there from Maduwata. The support is there and running away. Mba slowly running away from the defense of Maduwata. That is the fullback. Isimeli Tikomai Merike.
Tutokan din na iloko din Qito ya. Berto na mata tim ni ba. Ya dari na mata tim ni ba ni dari lisupan na we nangoni ke dera la ko memba. And the kilani lebu sarangan nangoni to tolo rangol memba. Kapatalaki na lebu tang na birango abambota ni rani irangito so katiko na to tolo ni apa ke ngata kantin apa. Iti ko nakaberto nangoni ni ba. Ya niloko ni Qito to may ako to na mata tim ni ba arto tambakin to na skowa. Ya we Maduwata ina rani ruto na waku kota talmai merani ruto na marretiko na kena labetin Buturara en nutuno.
Well, that was well worked by Mba. First try of the first semi-final. The conversion from Nandumu. He raises the flag. 7 points to nil. Mba leading Maduwata in this first semi-final. Maduwata to restart things here. Well, that was carried back. Oh, penalty. Penalty to Maduwata.
Iya en tim ni Maduwata ndo nakana non rutu sa sangat ko merto na kota ta talman na ken rutu kai meranin na to sa ta me bakal ni saliu tu nang nang mata tim ni ma. Iya abong bulta tu ngani bikim ni kesam to bito ko ni siamo tu mai ande be buno tani ni rede tu mai na ken garab tu kan ngito lambasa en singini kuwa bina boleh bito ko ni din ni senetiko ano no manisar sa tu mai.
Yalo Solo comes in with a penalty. He gets it over the home side. Maduwata. What will they decide this time from the captain Abimeleki Tonge? The lock forward. They've missed 2 penalties from the boot of the first 5-8. Will there be a change of kicker, or will they still put their trust on their first 5-8, Nico Yalo Solo, to try and reduce the deficit at the moment to just a point, with Mba leading 7 points to 3.
Ya kina mata tim ni Maduwata ure retiko ndo naka elenga tiko kali berto arui sibitu kan nutu kalu tu pole ya ndo naka ndo merto nen rabatiko nei loko ni kitur tangga rabatiko ni sikini kwa.
So looks like Maduwata have called in their fullback. We'll have to confirm Nathaniel Lawebuso. We'll have to confirm. We'll have to confirm on who has taken the kick. Well, that's number 13. Nemani Vatu Wali Wali. The captain has called him in to answer the call and try and reduce the deficit. Vatu Wali Wali looks on. The Madhuwata crowd looks on as well. Vatu Wali Wali comes in, puts it high. The flags are up. 7 points to 6. The crowd says it all. That's what they're waiting for. But still Mba leading 7 points to 6. The referee says it's halftime here. The first semi-final of the Vodafone Vanua Championship. Mba defying all odds, leading Madhuwata at the moment 7 points to 6. Now Mbale Tamana runs straight. Defense was there from the substitute Filimori Naliva. Now Madhuwata isolated. Penalty again. Another penalty to Madhuwata, using their hands inside the ruck. Now Vatu Wali Wali. Again he looks on. Ball placed on the kicking tee. Full concentration from Nemani Vatu Wali Wali. He leans forward. Strikes it well again. It looks good. Yes, it's over. Now Madhuwata has taken the lead. 9 points to 7. They've been rewarded with their patience. Now Madhuwata again with possession from inside their own territory. Oh, strong defense from Mba. Out it comes. Numbers out wide. Oh, goes back in field. Clever play from Madhuwata, picking it up. Is this Malera Vuka? Now that's Rela Solo. He runs away, gives it back in field. Wanga is there in support. The ball went loose. Penalty to Madhuwata. Taken quickly by the lock forward. Still Madhuwata. And going over for the try. That's the open side flanker. Rabuama Semisi. Bar caught napping. Madhuwata working hard. Good communications, good offload as well from Madhuwata. Good work from Nico Yalo Solo, taking it quickly. Vatu Wali Wali, Sokonaya Kaitau, and the open side flanker, Rabuama Semisi, there in support. Madhuwata extend their lead, 14 points to 7. Koli, what a play from Madhuwata.
Sanjena tuto kantina na ilok ni gitu orto ko talaga may namata tim ni Madhuwata awang bota sartung kay vital no binagan ken luray may na malmulumoy na matay ni mama na pulo orto ko talaga may na mawi ken mataw birta kay tumbo kay birta kay stali lama kau da ke merda basara nir tulitan bakan skoa era duri era kaila era waka susau na leway Madhuwata na maruta ka na ken samay tambakan skoa tulitu ko ngongo enetini ka pa bitu ko na matatim ni ba.
Now that's the work of Yalo Solo. He saw the space inside. Wanga the halfback. The ball went loose. But that's the lock forward for Madhuwata. Choeli Mata. He takes it quickly. Knows that the defense was backpedaling. And there in support. Rabuama Semisi going over for their first try. 14 points to 7 with the conversion to come. Well, their traditional slogan, Singandamu Avanua. And just hear the crowd says it all. Madhuwata delivering in front of their home fans. They're dancing away. The conversion to come, and Kohli is also here inside the commentary booth. Missing on that conversion. 14 points to 7. Ball well presented. Chaweli Ranitu is also there. Out it comes again. Ponipatem Banivalu, Gabrieli Ratu. Advantage, says the referee. Still Mba. Ball went close, picked up by the number 8. Again, the defense is there. Diving over his mark. That's the try. The try has been awarded. The try has been awarded. We'll have to confirm the jersey number for you. Is that the replacement player, Sekobe Tubakai Koya? Now Mba, the never say die attitude from Mba. He picked it up. That's the number 8. Voniani Mbatiniu. The awareness to dive over for the try. Sekobe Tubakai Koya. The conversion that will level the scores, 14 points to 12. My word, just as they thought, the home crowd, that Madhuwata is slowly running away in this match, Mba says no, we'll have a job to do, and the conversion to level things up has gone over. 14 points all, Collie. We are in for a grand finish here. Well, the crowd was backing Madhuwata to try and milk a penalty. But stay tuned only to my TV. The game is not over yet. We'll bring you the thrills and spills of this extra time, Collie, with the kind compliments of our sponsors, CJ Supermarket and Tower Insurance. We are heading to extra time. One of the hometown boys presented well, running straight, ball is there. Now Madhuwata with possession, diving over for the try. Madhuwata has confirmed their place in the Skipper Cup competition next year. The replacement player is that Alipate Rocco, or is it Choweli Mata? Will need to confirm the try scorer. Jumping into jubilation. Bar players confronting the referee. But it is Madhuwata standing tall on their home ground, winning it. Wherever you are tuning from, watching from around the world and around Fiji, Mbua fans and also the fans of Yasawa, all the way, maybe watching all the way from the islands of Yasawa, we are bringing you this live coverage on my TV, and we hope that whatever your team produces at this stage, it is a mammoth task for them, playing in front of this Mbua crowd, a vocal Mbua crowd, I would say. They are certainly behind their team, so that they could also be a team that is etched in history. For the first time ever, they will have their names written on the history of rugby to confirm their place in the Skipper Cup competition. But that only time will tell. Yasawa with the kickoff that is in the form of the first 5-8, Samuel Mbuli. He puts in a high one, well collected by Mbua. At the back of that ruck is the halfback from Mbua, Sesoni Roko Tuiloma. With the box KK high one, waiting for it is Willimori Marawa. He couldn't control it. Now Michaeli Roko Dinono, he's the speed star from a police sevens player. Michaeli Roko Dinono is there, sets it up well. Morawa, a cut out pass, numbers out wide. Rokomatu, out wide, it goes to the winger. Early start for Yasawa. Sani Balati Ratu brings it back. Great awareness from Ratu. Out it comes again. This is Samuel Mbuli. Brings in his forwards. Morawa there in support. Digging deep. Mbuli again. Brings it out wide. Good communication. Good interplay from Yasawa. Brings it back in field. Choni Tanoa, one of the renowned Police Sevens players. Morawa again. Former Westfield Sevens player. Now playing for Yasawa. Running straight is Manasa Watanitawake. Out it comes again. Still Yasawa. Putting it through the boot. but it went out wide. Good defense by Mbua, but Yasawa maintaining the dominance early, showing that experience in the form of Michele Rocondinono, who started it. Tony Tanoa with a strong carry, as well as Murawa. Well, Koli Yasawa have tasted that victory, or rather that sort of performance, or that sort of experience in the Skipper Cup, and they're trying to get their way back into the Skipper Cup.
Hindi na todo ko ngori alik kaya na ranindra ko din taga na kaya na tigabuta ginang gito ene sige kuha nang unang tigabukin nang gito sa tigabuta do ka saranga ng matatim ni Yasawa arto par biya par takatiko nirto sal suba talaga mai na bonmoya en na buko ni ken ang karabti ko nang gito en sige kuha nagaiti ko na itu tangi nirto na matatim ni Yasawa.
Penalty to Yasawa. Rocondinono comes in, rather successfully puts that through. So Yasawa with an early lead, 3 points to nil. As I've said, despite Mbua being one of the undefeated teams in this competition, it will be an uphill battle, having Yasawa also had that experience. Still Mbua playing it in the forwards. Working together is Manasa Nangisi and Noah Rangiri. Boa there. How about it comes Roko Tiloma going back in field. Savanayam Balay Tabua. Driven back in the tackle by Yasawa. Good defense by Yasawa. Now penalty. Penalty to Mbua.
Talabi na nandito gitu na matatim nimbo na nandito marra pinakita ka na pole. Kau ni zumum bito may berto na matatim ni Yasawa. Nandito marra bito na pinakita ka na pole. Medo ba ni may suli berto na tutongi. Tu sabo tu lagi na. Mertu sadang ke mata-mata. Merawani na kau tersektal mikir tu kai. Tolu kai tolu. Ya ngon matang ngong. Liu juga Yasawa. Ena tolu. Sangat juga na matatim nimbo.
Halfback Sesoni Roko Tiloma. Referee pointing to the players underneath the crossbar, to Yasawa. Put your hands down. Rokotiloa comes in. Beautifully does it. Over it goes. Scores are locked at 3 points all. Mbua and Yasawa locked at 3-all Koli. Waiting is Rusiate Wanga Manasapatan Itawaken and Peli Buki Buki. Play on, says the referee. Murawa weighs his option, slowly bringing in the heavy artillery. Loose ball, trying to pick it up is Mbua, but a penalty. Penalty to Yasawa. They take it quickly. Space in front. Going over for the second try. Good work by Sabanada Uluimbao. Up in Isa Tuimba. There in support the open side flanker. The smile says it all. First try in this match, extending their lead to 8 points to 3 with the conversion to come.
Mbia, may baka usapor ta katiko. Au klar tur dia ucumba mai na mati timin bono tu tiko era. Ke baka tur na katamertu na taka bono tu taka mana. Ortu mertu Buturara na polo. Kina no tu lenis koa. Ngai rawa mertu geli taka bakin tu taka mana. Raw ni tambagin sko.
Now Mbua again. Finishing the first half really well. Still going through. That is Tsasabanambani Valu. Mbua there with possession. Ball is there. Digging for it is the halfback Rokotiloma. Giving it back in field. There's Mbua. That's the continuity they want. How it comes. Numbers out wide. The outside center goes in. Savanaya. Balai Tabua. Calmly as you like. Right in front of his home fence. Line out not working well. Will they kick it out and go to the breather? Yes, Rokotiloma says we've had enough in the first half. And as that happens, the referee says it's half time. Mbua leading Yasawa 13 points to 10. Again driven back in the defense of Mbua. Murawa again. That's the lock forward and diving over. Rusiate Wanga. Referee was slow to get there. Still Yasawa. And dubbing over is the blind side winger. Sabinada Uluimbao.
Ausaka Ochibia, Meboka Nanroto Wasali to Namatimbo, Merto Cosa Nikilera, Nimatiminesa, or Quasa Landeboti, Naivata Niskipa Cup. Yeah. Nanroto Lagonigito and Kennetu Talangona, Koroni Mama, to Koto Miki and Namatimnesawa, Wakanga, Sirinasaku, Nadi Ortonesa, Mebaka Sabatatico, Gorton into Nirton Bullian and Lamba. Yeah, Nisa Liu Mainarangi, yeah. Erto katalang orto na matitim ni buah, mangga bandul rani tabu anandalong koi.
An attack from within their own territory. Look at how the forwards for Yasawa protecting the ball. Now Yasawa on the 22-meter mark inside Mbua's territory. That's the hooter. They knocked it on. Is that the game for them? So, Yasawa has won it here at Subrel Park in Lambasa. They've certainly come out firing. Koli, what a match.
Iya kantina sanggay may dasarap yan doon ng gito sa bukan tumambulan dasarap to kan natangilan pa na may pakatata tong kuya na buliku pero to naman tim na sa orto sa main ganga kinamata timin buwan na rusul kan dua kay rusul bulu iya hindi na nirto sa main kan namata timin buwa ang wala to kan don to kerkere may pakan nirto sa win na matim na sawa orto sa kereto nga kera nirto nang gaiti ko mayor to na leno to mata sere ya sawa medo man yung timbang.
Yes, Koli, well as that happens it is Yasawa who has returned into the major division, clinching a spot in the Skipper Cup competition next year. Mbua tried all their best, but it's Yasawa who stood tall. The Blue Mullins of Yasawa, they say they manufacture cyclones. They brought one here. They really hit them at the hardest, but Yasawa beating Mbua 21 points to 20.
Wala tato na lakoy suba. Sa tiga bume sa kalau sumuto ka na mata ni singa sa tiga bume to sa malu manambuto-buto me tutubita ka na singa ni kuha kami gay boto kay membong ni boleh binak sa ni boleh binak ngoy hindua na may bira na mata tim ni asawa ni bulharan ni po matal tikim ni mata kay na atawa ni ranito ko na nabugon ni ngito may sarapan ni singa ni kuha.
Nayatan ko chope sa naivalu nanunggu tabi na tim ni Asawa untuk vitirintaki au SNC trainer. Sama indo nang gito denre tanre balai nang gito ni sini ko yo itu babim na bale na kalau na belitaki berto na dorbo sindo na baba rawa yo sama era na ganga gitu kota listal na babim na kalau babim na bale berto na boys nang gito ko sinindrendre na mai gitu ibu nole na crowd tal ngabango lebar sini duru raw mai yo kito mai kalungatan sama raw na ganga sama raw ni tabi kito sa rawatan na ngoleda kana skipa
ya amina boleh buena buku ni soto na singa ni kuah awa warita katiko na numundo ilo ko may namati timine sa oy baka ela ko tong maindo na tangilang category 5 ya namati ni mama ni may da na mati ni mama tiga po na karubi mama sa tiga po mesa ando sa liuti ko na pointi wala ka sabtu ka namati timine bo sa ngai tiga po mito sa malumutan nang gito sa rira na baka na category 5 ni tangilang po sa luto so mungkin na category me merua category Rua.
Oh, category 2.
Yo, din ni sa luto may category 2, isi pakatanga.
Iyo, awambuta ko talistal non rapaparaw dona rapaparaw bina karena turbuko. Sa Qito sa tiulan nito tuba na siniraw na chia na ngolit may tuba. Me maintain non to control na nang Qito me mereniraw na ngarap tabi.
Ya na anggarap to kaning Qito ni singin ko ure to kabiran to ni bito ko non rakaila to ka endo tanin dua na non to kaila to kana non to ni bito ko ni na laku malu to mai nando mani sere ya sawa merdo bani udimba opatalan kinando mani kita ni rongo teman tanah rongo viau au ngai baka undar makan mdo ibaba ni rongo tanah sere opaka saranga ikuci ku saranga kina mata sawa toko manambara via rongo to kana rombo ni wa siapa tau okila ni ndo talanga na bibu kile bu bikim do namdo rongo to kana rongo ni sere ndo rongo mai tu
na sere ni kito ndo rongo ta ndo baelong kanga balo kuko te kito kota mana yalo mi kito daka bata merao ni tabi mangara ni sini ko kito nge rongo te una chia mai tumba na langa sira ta tu ya Obambota ona sindani bosanga ona bosti mambal ti ordenador bo orto wakilati ona lomni rara na sere orto building orto tiwili na karuni bi mama meado bangan
Iyo una bina kata mona kai bukan teu takan doni tuku ber ke sarana maramania sawa era siamo tu mai era bito kon tu mai nek nang garben gitu ni sin ku abomota sar maru setungan ni sawi no sawa enang gitu ni sin ku kir ngai bukan teu tak ber ke sarana maramania sawa iku tunga medo banyu dimba
Dono minaka.
Sajalah.
Dono minaka. Binamalin.
Yo mai.
Namalin sahabat kita kinambua halis tali bitilebu.
Sajalah. Bukan tu tali.
Namalin sahabat kita kinambua ni kuas halis tali. Namalin sahabat kita kinambua sasokoles tali bitilebu. Binawale boke mtona kangu nandalo tali ngaket sona kau tali ngai.
Me ini apa?
Me ini malins.